Well, wheel bearings came in. This is a pretty decent set from Amazon. You got your inner and outers. Comes with some new cotter pins, washers, all that fun stuff. You got your seal right there. So these are really pretty much exactly set up like a car. Also, this is basically going to be exactly the same. I'm just going to focus on one, so we'll just take this off. We're going to knock off our dust cover here, pull out our cotter pin, take off our nut, and then this will slide right off. Now, if you're going to be reusing your bearings, this outer bearing is going to fall right out of the hub assembly. So you want to try to catch it. Got my little vise set up here so I can knock out this race. All right, we got the race all the way to the edge here. So to send her home, we're gonna put it on the vise right there. There she goes. We're gonna set this first race with our tool. So we'll set her in right there. There we go. We gotta pack our bearing. I just like doing it the old school way. Just grabbing her and loading her up, flip it over, and then just make sure that we got grease coming through the backside too. The only thing that sucks about doing it this way is it just makes a huge mess. Put in our seal here. Just gonna use a larger bearing race tool die. Gonna put in this one. Greased up wheel bearing. Put a little lube on there. Got your washer, castle nut. Tighten her down. No wobble. We got some resistance when we move it, and our cotter pin hole. Let's use a new one. It's lined up, so it should drop right in. So these have a grease fitting right here, and there's a little hole in the back of the spindle where the grease will come through. So we'll top her off just to play it safe. Okay, put on our dust cover. And she is done. Look at that.